Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel and Power BI. In this video, we will continue our serial number part 2 series. In first video, we have seen how we have created the serial number using the row function and it will create a dynamic range. Now, what if I have to copy and paste, like if I'll copy paste this somewhere data from this sheet and to the another sheet, then you see again I have to create the serial number in the other sheet from the starting from 1. How we can solve this problem? Let's discuss in serial number part 2. We will use subtotal function here to create the serial number. We'll put simple subtotal. We will use count a function under the subtotal and the cell reference will be my employee code. So in case if I'll select the entire range in one go, what it will return? Let's see. It return me the count of total rows, which is 46. So how we can achieve the serial number? Here we will use the incremental range. So what will be the incremental range? So if I'll select C2 to C2 and then I'll ask Excel when I'll go to the next cell, my range should be increased from C2 to C3. That will be an incremental range. At every step, it will increase one cell. So how we will achieve this? We will use C2 to C2 and then we'll freeze first C2 using F4 and hit the enter button. You able to see this? Only one is coming. Now we will drag it and my serial number has been created. Now what the formula is doing, if you click here, if you click the F2 here, it is giving me range from C2 to C5 only. That's why it's giving me 4 here. Okay, now I'll delete this serial number 4. My sequence number is again auto arrange. So our first problem is working fine here. We are having the dynamic serial number with using the subtotal as well. Now what we were trying to achieving, if I'll have to copy this data, you able to see with the row number this serial number is something different, and with the subtotal function serial number is again rearranging from first to the next one. If I'll again filter another column like male and female, if I'll filter the female, so again my serial number has been created. So in this way we can achieve this. Now we might be having another solution to this is, what if we need a serial number for individual city? Like for any town, we should have the serial number from 1st to 15. Then again for the other town, the serial number should be start from the 1st and goes up to the 17. And similarly for the somewhere city, 1 to 14. How we will achieve this? We can use a countif function here to achieve this. Let's use the countif. This time our range will be the city because we need city count here. So city and the criteria will be again the city. If again I'll hit the button, it will give me the count as 15 because any town is coming 15 times in this column, right? So again we will use the incremental range here. We will freeze first H2 using F4 and hit the enter button and you drag it. So you able to see for the any town series has been created from 1st to 15. Again for the other town it is starting from 1st and going up to the 17, and similarly for this somewhere from 1st to 14th. In this way you can create a multiple dynamic serial numbers based on your requirements. I hope you have liked these videos. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much.